All Pro Roofing Service provides asphalt shingles repair in Carlisle, Pennsylvania for cracked, curled, and missing shingles. We fix roof damage caused by storms, aging materials, and leaks to help protect homes year-round. Our team handles asphalt shingles repair in Carlisle, Pennsylvania with dependable service and straightforward solutions for residential roofs. We inspect damaged areas carefully, replace worn shingles, and help prevent future water issues while keeping your roof strong through changing weather conditions. Contact us today for a free consultation. Are you looking for an asphalt shingles repair service near me? You can stop looking. You found All Pro Roofing Service, Carlisle, Pennsylvania. What are the signs my asphalt shingles need repair? Signs include curling shingles, missing granules, roof leaks, cracked flashing, gutter debris, and water stains. All Pro Roofing Service, Carlisle, Pennsylvania provides inspections and repairs to prevent damage and replacement. How can I prevent future asphalt shingle damage? Prevent future asphalt shingle damage with regular roofing maintenance, gutter cleaning, flashing inspection, and fast leak repairs. All Pro Roofing Service, Carlisle, Pennsylvania improves protection and extends roof lifespan safely. What is the service area for your Carlisle, Pennsylvania location? Our asphalt shingles repair service has helped clients in the surrounding areas of Carlisle, Peach Glen, Shippensburg, Gardners, Walnut Bottom, Dillsburg, Mount Holly Springs, Boiling Springs, Grantham, Newville, Mechanicsburg, Plainfield, New Kingstown, Camp Hill, Anola, Summerdale, Blosserville, Schlosser, Wirtsville, and Cumberland County, Pennsylvania. Where is your Carlisle, Pennsylvania asphalt shingles repair office located? We are located at 417 Walnut Street, Carlisle, Pennsylvania 17013. Our phone number is 717-993-1409. Visit our website, aproofer.com/Carlisle-PA.